Good morning, students. Welcome to Chemistry online class of Sri Gurukulam Public School, Guruvayur. So, we had already finished the P block element. Now, we are moving to the next topic, which is general principles and isolation of various elements. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about minerals, ores, and the various process of extracting metal from the ore. We know that in our nature, elements mainly exist in free state as well as native state. For example, gold, silver, carbon, these are all exist in free state, while some other elements are exist in a combined form. For example, iron, aluminium, and zinc, etc. So, before that, we have to learn the concept of what is mineral and what is ore. Mineral means the element that is occurs either in a native state or a combined state. The process at which these elements can be obtained from the earth crust or the earth crust is known as ore. Ore mainly contains some impurities. Not a pure metal is get from the earth crust, and these impurities are known as gangue. So based on the properties of gangue, we can extract the metal from the ore by concentration process. There are various concentration processes we have to study. The first concentration process is hydrolytic washing. Second process is froth flotation, and third process is leaching, and the fourth process is magnetic separation. Hydrolytic washing is removing the gangue from the ore by passing water. Mainly we use carbonate ore for this. And magnetic separation means it is used for separating the ore containing iron. Froth flotation process means it is used in the sulfide ore. Okay, for example, zinc sulfide, zinc pyrite, etc. Then leaching. Leaching process is also applied for carbonate ore. So based upon the nature of the ore, we use this process. So the first process of getting a pure metal from the ore is the concentration of ore. So what is concentration of ore? Concentration of ore means the process of removing gangue from the ore. So let's discuss more about it in detail.
So we are introducing the new topic, general principles and process of isolation of element. This topic is familiar with you on the lower classes. Before that, what is metallurgy? Metallurgy means it is a scientific and technological process used for isolation of metal from its ore. For example, iron or any kind of stones, gold, steel, aluminium. These metals is isolated by using this process. Metals are mainly classified into two types. One is the combined state and the another one is the native state. Combined state are more reactive metals, whereas native state are less reactive metals. Example for these metals are sodium, magnesium, iron, zinc and aluminium. And less reactive metals are silver, gold, platinum, copper and mercury. They are easily attacked by the presence of oxygen, water and carbon dioxide. And less reactive metals are not attacked by the presence of oxygen, water and carbon dioxide. It cannot be obtained in a pure form. Less reactive metal can be obtained in native form. They are isolated using various techniques and less reactive metals are easy for isolation. Here is the metallurgic process flow chart representing. First one is the ore, that is digging from the earth's surface. Then we concentrate this ore and then extract this ore, and through refining process we get the pure metal. So this is the flow chart for extraction of metal. First one is ore get concentrated and then extract the metal from its ore. Then by using the process of refining, we get the pure metal. There are various kinds of minerals present in our earth, like carbonate ores, sulfate, silicate, nitrate, halide, sulfide and oxide ores. For example, iron ores are hematite, iron pyrite, magnetite, siderite, etc. These are the major ores of iron. So what is mineral? Mineral is the natural occurring substance on the earth's surface. And ore is a mineral that contains high percentage of metal. Okay. We can concentrate the ore by using various methods. We can concentrate this ore by removing the impurity. Impurity here is called by a name, that is gangue. Concentration of ore. So first we take the ore, then we concentrate the ore, which means the process of removing impurity from the ore. There are various concentration methods we are studying. For us to study, there are 4 types of concentration method. First one is flotation process. Second one is hydrolytic washing. Third one is magnetic separation. And fourth one is leaching. First process is hydrolytic washing. This is based on the gravity separation, which means the difference in gravity of ore and the gangue particle. Here we can see the picture representing the hydrolytic washing of ore, where the water, crushed ore is put inside the funnel, and then what happened? There is a sloping surface in which a high pressure of water is being sprayed through it, and this crushed ore along with the water gets settled down as the impurity, and we can separate by this method. So powdered ore is taken in a beaker, then gangue, which means the impurity is removed by applying the water, and this is the process of hydrolytic washing. Second process is, since these impurity particles are very lighter particles, so they carried away the current of water at the top, and the heavier particle is collected at the apex of that cone. Next one is magnetic separation method. It is based on the magnetic properties of the ore and the gangue particle. Mainly we are using to separate the iron contained ores. There should be a magnetic roller in which the crushed ore is being placed, and there is a conveyor belt for that, in which the electromagnetic substance is attracted on one side, magnetic particles are separated on another side, and non-magnetic particles separated on various sides. So this is the working separation of magnetic separator. Next process is froth flotation process, in which they are mainly used for sulfide ore. So here it is like a froth process is being applied here, where the crushed ore is passed on this and excess of froth is coming out from this, and the lighter impurity gets settled down during this process. So there is a paddle over upside which can easily rotate this and produce the froth, that is bubbles that is coming outside and which get concentrated on the latest part. Next process is leaching process, which is used when the ore is soluble in a particular solvent. This is the principle behind it. There should be a leaching agent for separating this gangue from the ore. Principles of leaching involves the metal compound which contain the impurity, where we add some leaching agent to convert into metal compound plus leaching agent and impurity. And from this again we converted back to the metal compound and the leaching reagent. This is an example for it, where bauxite ore of aluminium react with the leaching agent NaOH to form sodium meta-aluminate. And this is filtered to give aluminium hydroxide or Al2O3. And this aluminium hydroxide again heated to give alumina plus water. So this is an important process of leaching.
I hope you get the concept of what is concentration of ore and what are the different processes of concentrating ore. The related link and the note is attached with this. Kindly attend the test paper with you without any fail. So, I'm winding this section. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.